You still don't know how to easily and fastly make screenshots on your Samsung phone? It's all because your screenshot button is hidden from your quick settings. So here's how to easily add it back, and watch it till the end, because in the end I'll give you a very valuable bonus. So as the first step, let's swipe down from the top of our screen and open this panel up. So first of all, check it out. Maybe you already have it here, but just not on the first page. If it's not there, not a big deal. Tap on this pencil icon. Now tap on Full. And here, locate your Take Screenshots. It will be in your Available Buttons page. So grab it and simply put it somewhere around here. And now press Done. Great, let's check it out. Let's swipe down and here we are. Now we can tap it and the screenshot is gonna be made. You can find all of your screenshots in your gallery. Easy as that. And here is a bonus point. So you can also set up a gesture for your screenshot. How do you do that? You are to open up your settings. You're to scroll down to your advanced features. Here, you gotta locate your motions and gestures. After that, locate your palm swipe to capture and make sure that this option is turned on. So the switch is on. Now, let's grab our phone and we are to make a palm swipe from one side to another side. Just like this. And boom, the screenshot is made. Easy as that. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.